In this video, I'm going to show you the method that I use and what I use to remove the mill scale from my material. Before I start any welding project, I always remove the mill scale off of the metal that I'm going to weld. And I use this process of removing the mill scale with this Scotch-Brite wheel, and as you can see, I'm just moving it back and forth along the material, and just making sure that I don't exceed the RPM limits of the wheel itself. The tools that I typically use for this process is this 90-degree angle grinder made by Dotco, or I use this straight die grinder made by Clico. Regardless of whether I'm using the straight die grinder or the angle die grinder, my main focus is to keep that wheel as perpendicular as possible to the material, which helps remove that mill scale much quicker. This process also works great for material that's primered or painted as well. Let me show you. Now, when dealing with a painted surface or a primered surface, as in this case, the technique of keeping that wheel perpendicular to the part doesn't change. The only thing you would have to take into consideration is thickness of the paint or the primer that's applied to the surface that you're trying to remove it from. As in my case, I got very lucky. The primer is actually applied very thin, which makes the removal process almost effortless. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple process to do, and very effective as well. Thank you for sticking around, and thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.